Welcome to our CSE 316 project video demonstration. Our project name is ATmega Firefighter. We designed a prototype of a fire prevention system in case of a fire incident in households. Here are our activities. First, we detect a fire incident and take some instant primary actions against it. We make sure that the fire doesn't spread out. At the same time, we send an alert message to the convenient authority. We used two ATmega 32 microcontrollers for simplicity. However, we could have used only one. We used an IR sensor to detect flame. We used MG995 servo motor and a 12-volt DC motor. For sending messages, we used A6 GSM module. We also used a 16x2 LCD module to print prompt message. Now let's get to the demonstration. This is the bucket which we will be using as a water supply for dosing of the fire detected by our system. The pipe connection of the water supply straight goes to a DC motor. This DC motor will pump out the water. For the sake of demonstration, we are using two Arduinos connected with two laptops as our power source. The Arduino is supplying 5 volt to our system. Here you can see a snippet of our code. We used C++ as language and Atmel Studio's compiler to compile our code. However, the GSM module we are using for sending messages need direct power through an USB cable. Here you can see the GSM module, an Arduino and a microcontroller which is used to control the GSM. This microcontroller is connected with another microcontroller to get the signal from the sensor. The second microcontroller is controlling a LCD display, a motor driver and a sensor. Right now the LCD display is showing a value 1023 which signifies our sensor hasn't detected any fire yet. The motor driver controls the DC motor to pump out the water. And here is our sensor which is set on the top of a servo motor. And now we are showing you the overall view of our system. You see, the sensor is rotating with the help of that servo motor and constantly checking if there is any fire. And now that we place a candle to demonstrate the fire, our motor stops and a pipe is throwing water into the fire. The LCD module shows the prompt pump on and we see there is an alert message on the phone from the GSM module. After dosing of the fire, the motor starts rotating again.